5 things what you supposed to do after you upload your YouTube video. You see, many YouTubers, especially we will be small YouTubers, we think say YouTube they perform magic. After we don't upload our YouTube video, we just go sleep, go dey rest, they wait for miracle to happen. Miracle no dey happen for YouTube. There are just 5 particular things where you supposed to be say when you publish your video, you do them. Then you don't show the YouTube algorithm that you dey serious. You know what you do. You don't trigger the algorithm to help push your video. So on this video today, I'm going to show you people this 5 particular things what we're supposed to do. Each time we publish our video, we're supposed to go do this 5 things before we go sleep, then wait for the YouTube algorithm to perform its own magic. So without wasting much time, we could just go straight to the business of the day. The number 1 thing what you're supposed to do, each time you publish your video, check the title of your video, the description of your video, the tag of your video. You see, these things are very important. When you put these things right, to help the algorithm to understand your videos and to understand the right audience to push your video to. So maybe just to publish video then go to sleep, they wait for miracle. YouTube no they perform miracle. Now that miracle where they already perform, now them go now establish on that miracle, bring that miracle out for people to benefit from that miracle. So what now they try to talk, they say if you don't do them by yourself, they don't go do them for you. They can only display your video out there, but then your video will not get the right audience where you supposed get. So for you, in order for you to make your video and your video will get the right audience, get views the way you supposed to get views, your channel will grow very well. When you publish video, always check, check. So now make we check now. So when we go to YouTube Studio, we'll click on any of our existing video. Let's say that this video will just publish finish now. So we just have to click here. So when you click there, it will open up for us. So now we'll say to check our YouTube title, video description, tags, all the SEOs what we'll do for that particular video. We need to double check them to check if we'll put the right ones for this particular video we will make now. And how to check them is to go to your YouTube Studio, go to your content, click on that particular content, and then start to cross check. For here I have the title of this video. I cross check to make sure that this title is okay. Cross check your video description. This is my video description. Go to know whether your video description go in line with your video where you make. So go to your thumbnail, check your thumbnail, scroll down, check everything where you're supposed to check about this particular video. Check your tags, check your tags, check everything to make sure that all the SEOs where you make for this particular video, they are in order, in line with this particular video where you make. So by so doing, you already give the algorithm a proper description, real details of your video. So waiting this algorithm get to do now to just gather all this information where you don't give them. So take push them, go straight to people where they like your pattern of video, people where they watch your kind of video, and by so doing you're gonna get views upon views on your video. So the number 2 thing we're supposed to do immediately after we publish our video, we're supposed to go add cards and end screen. If you don't know cards and end screen, see it here. When you watch videos, immediately at the end of the video, you see these 2 videos or 1 video, depending on which one the person puts. Those are called end screen. Those end screen, it leads people to watch more of your video, and sometimes lead people to your playlist, because if the video we put there, now your playlist you put there, then when they watch that particular video finish, then at the end of the video, they will see more of your video, which are the end screen, and they click on it, and it happens to be your playlist. Let's say, for example, that your playlist get like 10 videos inside, and they will keep watching. They will keep watching more of your video. And as they watch more of your video, remember, they are giving you more views and they are giving you more watch hour in that your channel. So you see why to put end screen, they're very important. They have series of videos out there on how to put end screen. In case you don't know how to put end screen, you can go watch one of those videos. In my channel, I have videos on how you can put end screen. You can also go there to watch how you can put end screen in all your video. For example, let me play this video to the end to see if the end screen will appear so that we can see what the end screen is all about. If you watch this video here, at the end of this video on my screen, we'll have this video that is appearing on the right hand side here. It's called the end screen. So this end screen leads viewers to your other videos. So now, if this my video end now, for example, if this person na viewer where they watch this video, it automatically lead this person to my other video, or the person will now see my other video, then click on my video to watch. Those are end screen. So if you don't know how to put end screen in your video, I have videos in my channel. Just go to my channel and check. There are videos I've made on how you can put end screens in your videos. The third thing we're supposed to do is to watch your video. Many of us will be small YouTuber will find it very difficult to watch our video. I don't know why. When you create your video, after you create your video finish, you publish your video, you're supposed to watch your video. Sometimes when I go to YouTube platform, I see say some YouTubers, they publish video and you find out that this video where they publish don't stay almost 2 days, 3 days, and now one particular view they get. Is it that they don't watch their video, or is it that they don't get any means of watching their video, or what? Or they don't even like to watch that particular video where they publish. Any video where they publish, when you publish your video, you're supposed to like to watch your video. You're supposed to watch your video several times. Watch your video as if say you be normal viewer where they view the video. Watch your video with your phone. Watch your video for bigger screen like TV, so that you will get that viewer's experience. One, by the time you watch your video, if your video get any problem, maybe when they edit them, some mistake where your eye no fit catch there, whether na the voice no dey loud, or the quality of the video, the picture quality no dey clear, then you go see them. Once you publish them and watch them, you go see them. So when you see them, you go take correction, know how you go take amend them for next time. And when you watch your video, you don't already give that impression. Now you be the first view of your video. Maybe you watch them through your phone, you watch them with TV again, meaning you already get 2 views for your video. That is the importance of watching your videos. Immediately after you publish your video, you try watch your video by yourself. The number 4 thing we were supposed to do immediately after you publish your video now to pin comments. You know this pin comment strategy. When you make your video finish, you don't publish your video, you don't watch your video, the first thing where you will do as a new YouTuber or content creator not to pin comment. And when you pin this comment, make sure say this your comment where you pin this comment you pin them in form of a question. You try ask your viewers question about this particular video. So when that comment where they pin come in form of a question, it trigger the viewers to respond to that question, whether good or bad. They go surely respond to that question where you put. And also don't forget, when you pin this comment, if possible, you drop the link of your other video, maybe your related video. Also drop the link in that same comment section. They help make the viewers, when they watch your video, like and come for your comment section, then they interact with you on your comment section, they can't see another of your video there, then they will quickly click on that video to go watch, meanwhile giving you more view, more visibility, more watch hour. The number 5 for our list what we're supposed to do now to reply our comments. When you publish a video and people start to engage with your video, always reply their comments. Always reply their comment. I have this my video here. I have this comment, so can never reply. If you don't have time to reply, you can always say good, but always reply your video. This person said, thanks for the information. I will tell them thanks for watching. So simple. You reply the comment. For me telling this person thanks for watching, before you know, this person will reply me back. Then engagement they go on inside this comment section, and which the algorithm love it so much when people communicate, when people reply to your pin comment or your comment where you drop for your video and you reply back to them. The algorithm they like them so much. You see the same person will just interact in just send me thanks for the information. I will just tell them you are welcome. So when you reply to the comments of your videos, it helps the algorithm to understand, to like your page, to even help they push your video, because when you reply to your comments, give that impression that yes, this person is, one, it be real human, the human being they operate that channel. 2, it dey boost engagement on your comments. It dey boost engagement. So and not just replying your comments na im matter pass. Also other people wey dey do the same video with you, wey dey in the same niche with you, go to their comment section and reply their messages. Any reply comment where you see there. So when you reply comments where you see there, remember that you reply them with your channel name, your channel details they there. So when you reply those comments, they will reply you back. It helps for you to gain more visibility on their comment section. You may see even see their viewers on their comment section. We go like your comments, they will decide to reply your comment or even click on your handle there. Then it will bring them to your channel and they will watch your video. So now one of the importance of replying comments, responding to your comment in your comment section immediately after you publish your video. So the last one, this one are the bonus tip, and which happens to be the mother of all, that to share your video. Share your video link, share your video to Facebook, share your video to WhatsApp, share your video to group, any groups where you dey into, share your video to Instagram. Get people, external people to come watch your video. And you know the most important thing, and which is the most funniest thing, is that within that first 1 hour where you publish your video, the kind of views where you will get within that 1 hour will determine if this video will get more view or not. When you finish doing all these things and you watch your video and you now share your video to external links and the rest, and all those places where you share your video, let's say they give you 100 view or 200 view within 1 hour, man, the algorithm gonna say, this video, so people they watch this video very well, meaning this video, people they like this video. Then the algorithm gonna they push your video. They push your video. Before you know, your videos will get thousands of views. So don't forget to always, when you don't check everything, to make sure say your video they in order, you dey okay. You don't watch them, you don't give them the first view, the second view, then share them to other platforms where you belong to, so that they will follow also, watch your video, give you views. And remember, those first views matters a lot. It will help the algorithm understand very fast, say yes, people they like this video, then you go send this video out to the larger audience out there. So we don't come to the end of the video today. If you get value in these tips we will just share now, don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, so that anytime we publish videos like this, you will be the first to get the notification. Don't forget also to share this video so that other people too go follow, get values. And as we talk, so try comments, try engage with this content. If you get anything we no understand, or you get anyone who will not talk well, or you get anyone who will not talk, send message for the comment section. Let's interact, let's build this community together. Thank you, and see you in the next video.